Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another crazy day on this one. Another day of huge volume, although, I mean, compared to Friday's volume, which was just gigantic, it almost looks like today's volume was very, very small. But there is still a whole lot of volume that played out today. And really a brutal day, a day that, tricked a lot of people and, took out a lot of people because, and like I said, the people that were doing this, I get it. It's not like it was a random decision. It's not like they were just making it up as they went. It made perfect sense. I mean, you had that previous high right there. So you know that there is a bunch of people, because again, makes sense. They were buying the breakout. In fact, it moved up a little bit higher from there. But then after that, it was basically just all selling pressure the rest of the day. So a fake breakout of those highs and then just slow bleeding the rest of the day. So you know that there's a lot of pain out there. And it's a rough situation, like I said, and I don't want to say, you feel bad for people because hopefully they had risk management in play, but I do understand their logic and their thinking. Whereas if it was just some sort of randomness, well then, yeah, I definitely don't feel bad for you at all. You're just out there gambling, doing random, decisions. But, to buy the break right there, that wasn't random. That made sense. But just a total fake breakout, and then from there, it just continued to break down, and, continue to bleed the rest of the day. And that's what I'm very curious about going forward, and is in regards to this trend line right here, which is basically showing the bleeding, right? I mean, this is a pretty steep trend line. So the question that I have is, is the price ever going to be able to get back above that trend line, or is this thing just going to keep on moving itself further and further downwards? So the first key level of resistance to watch very closely is going to be that resistance trend line there. Now, don't get me wrong, if the break's above there, am I saying that for sure? Guarantee it's going, back up to the 280 mark? I'm not saying that. But if the price can break above there, especially if it's a high volume break, then it's not unreasonable to think that the price could make its way back up to right around that 280 range. So you want to keep a close eye on that. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, the main level to watch now moving forward, going to be right there at both the $2 mark, and then after $2, next key level after that, down around the $1.80 mark. But yeah, right now, a brutal day. We'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.